Hello, 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 and welcome to the Southern Belle channel. This is the show and tell with Southern Belle for the gardening #2 pop-up auction. So, without further ado, laissez bon temps rouler. We will have some of the items you expect, like seeds and bulbs. We will also have some items you might not expect that revolve around outdoor living, such as lanterns, bird houses, garden flags, picnic ware, grilling items. So let's take a look. First, I have these seeds. Now, these are not tiny little seed packets. These are big boxes. And if you notice, there is so much in these boxes that it will cover 25 square feet. So we've got marigolds, impatiens, alyssum, and zinnia. Next, if you don't want to confine yourself to just one flower, I have these great mixtures for sunny area, shade area, bird and butterfly, and even specifically for hummingbirds. If you're trying to attract hummingbirds, I've also got a fabulous hummingbird feeder. Who needs a pot for their plants, or maybe even a vase? I've got some galvanized pots, both plain and ones that say flower in the garden, as well as this ceramic pot, or it could be a vase, which looks like a yellow boot. I've got 3 types of gloves to keep those hands safe. I've got some that have a latex coating. I also have some that are made of actual leather. Who needs a birdhouse for all those birds that your beautiful flowers have now attracted with those seeds? Look at these cutie pies. They're not merely a birdhouse, they are a bird recreational vehicle. Do you feel like your birdhouses need a greeter? Somebody to welcome the birds when they come to take a little siesta or stay a night? Well, I have these gnome birdhouses. The gnomes will greet your birds with the great hospitality that you are offering. Or you think maybe the birds need an animal friend? Look at this super cute little piglet. Need an extra lantern? I've got one that is solar, brand new with tags, and as well as the kind with a candle. And this one has glass. All 4 pieces of glass are in it and ready to go. Want to try your hand in growing lots of different herbs? I've got this deluxe kit. Look, this thing was $25, and it's got 4 pots in it. It's got a metal, 4 metal pots, sorry about that, a wooden carrying tray. In it, it's got fabulous herbs that you can use in your cooking. Basil, cilantro, rosemary, or oregano. So whether you're growing this outside, in a garden, on a porch, a patio, a veranda, or just in your kitchen window. Yes, it was $25, but I'll be selling it deeply discounted. If you think about just what the wooden carrying box and the 4 pots are worth, the plants will seem like they are free by comparison. I've actually got 2 of these, but the other one only has 3 in it. So if for some reason you want to save a little money and you don't need 4, you just need 3, I will have this other one available too. Here's another grow kit specifically formulated for kitchen herbs. You've got your parsley, basil, and chives, and it comes with all of the pots as well as the grow pellets, the seeds, the plant labels, and the growing instructions. Everything you need. It's like an herb garden in a box, just ready to go into that kitchen windowsill. Who needs a fresh, new, brightly colored garden flag? tons of beautiful choices here. But you're saying, I'd love to have a flag, but I don't have the stand. I also will have garden flag stands available. And you can see they are disassembled, so it won't be that hard to ship it to you. Need a huge deluxe oscillating sprinkler where you can choose large to small drops. You can also choose to isolate it to the center, the left, the right, or full. This is super deluxe. It was $20, but it is going to be way less Tuesday afternoon at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. That last sprinkler was to water your yard, your flower beds, but what if the purpose of that sprinkler is just to cool off your kids or grandkids? Look at the kids running through this sprinkler system. It is fantastic. It includes 12 wiggling water hoses and sprinklers. Just look at the 12. It's also got these cute weighted flowers so that it's always spraying in the right direction. Need some ladybugs in the garden, porch, patio, or veranda? Look at these cute little ladybugs to hold your plants or your pots. Need some help cleaning the grill? Or maybe some kind of gift for Dad to go with that new grill you're giving him? I've got this 3-in-1 grill brush by Flame & Go. So it's got one side with the metal bristles. It's got another side with your abrasive scrub pad. And it's got a side to scrape. And look at the notches on either end that will go through those grill marks. But if that's not what you need, I've got one of these handy dandy wire brushes, also by Grill & Go. And if you need the double wire brush, yes, that's right, it is 2 heads on one thick and sturdy handle. I've got the double one as well. Can't have a gardening show without some gardening tools. I've got a lightweight one that's even got an ergonomic place for you to put your thumb. I have one with a foam grip in case you're having carpal tunnel from digging all these holes. It's a great way to plant your seeds, plant your bulbs. You can stick it right in the ground and make that hole. Or if you need something heavy duty, these were $7 at Big Lots. This is super thick, super sturdy, but I'm going to offer it for a bargain price tomorrow. Need a sweet little tiki light for that outdoor dining table, or just a way to put your citronella oil to keep those mosquitoes at bay. I've got metal, I've got glass, and look at the ombre coloration of these glass. The metal one even has a sweet little cover for when you're not using it. Who wants to make a stepping stone? There are 2 patterns included, and look at the original price. $19.99, but it won't be that price Tuesday at 2 p.m. on the Southern Belle Channel, Bargains by Belle. Who likes to sit outside? I find that even when I'm sitting outside, I like some pillows, either to be comfortable or just because they have a decorative touch. But you can't take your regular pillows out there. You need the specific outdoor living pillows where they are easy to maintain, where they're soil resistant. So I've got those specialty pillows for you. I've got 2 in the warm colors and just 1 in the cool color. If you prefer a pillow that has more of a Mediterranean feel or more of a floral feel, I've got a set of these. I've got 3, but if you also need the matching chair cushions, I've got an entire set of the matching chair cushions as well. Maybe you just need a long lumbar pillow. look at this cute one. It's also outdoor living. It's got beautiful plants on it. And something I like a lot about it, it has a zipper. So if you need to wash just the case, you can absolutely do that. But if you would prefer something that's more geometric rather than floral, I've got this outdoor living lumbar pillow as well. Because sometimes you just need a little support in that lumbar region, but your shoulders and back are fine. Also, many times when you are outside, you just need some cool drinks, whether it's to take on the road with you, whether it's when you want to take a break while you are mowing the lawn, or whether it's just so the kids don't keep going in and out, letting the air conditioning out, tracking in mud into your house. So many times it's just easier to fix a little sack of drinks and take them out to the kids. So I'm going to have several different types. The first type is this 8-can soft side cooler. Need something even bigger. I've got these cute freezer fridge bags, and they have great fruit motifs. Need one even bigger? This one will hold an entire 12-pack of cans. Still not big enough? I've got this huge one that will hold 24 cans. Plus, don't get me started on all the compartments it has on the front, back, and side, even the top. You'll see all the details tomorrow. And the biggest one of them all, I can hardly get this huge thing in the frame. Fortunately, it folds up. All these coolers fold up. And it is a 30-can cooler. It's got a camo type print. How great would this be for a Father's Day gift? Who loves wind chimes, butterflies, bees, ladybugs? Just cuteness. Also available in flowers, frogs, and cute little hummingbirds. I also have a peacock and a bee. How about an even bigger peacock? I don't know that I can get this whole one in the picture. Just gorgeous. And last but not least, we have this beautiful welcome sign with a gorgeous flower who can welcome everybody to your home, to your yard, or to your life. I hope to see you Tuesday afternoon at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time for the Bargains by Belle Gardening number 2 pop-up auction, as well as joining me Saturday night and Sunday night at 7 Central Standard Time. And laissez bon temps rouler. Let the good times roll. Roll in your life. Roll in your heart. Roll in your soul. Roll on and on and on. May God bless you. Bye-bye.